parents! In the rest of this lesson, your child will learn how to show information in various ways. Here will be our learning goal. I can compare, contrast, and solve problems using graphs. Your children will learn how to read and create pictographs and bar graphs. I'll show you a quick example. We have a pictograph of apples sold. A special thing about pictographs, it has that word pic in it, which stands for picture, and we use pictures to represent our data. So in January, there's one apple that was sold. We have to look at our key for what does one apple actually mean. If we go to our key, you can find that one apple actually equals 10 apples. So when I see January, there was one apple sold, I can conclude that means 10 apples. In February, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 apples sold. But I know my key tells me that one apple equals 10 apples. So 10, 20, 30, 40 apples were sold. Or I can do some simple multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples times 10 equals 40. Here is a bar graph showing favorite types of movies. We have comedy, action, romance, drama, or science fiction the people could have voted for. You'll see comedy, our bar graph. This is a vertical bar graph. We also could show horizontal bar graphs. Comedy had 4 people vote for it. Action had 5 people vote for it. Romance had 6 people vote for it. Drama only had 1 person vote for it. I can see the intervals are counting by 2s, 0, 2, 4, 6, but they leave a space in between for that 1 vote. Students will also use graphs to solve real-world problems. Your child is learning how graphs are used in the world around us. So feel free to look for them and point them out with your students in newspapers or in billboard and advertisements, just to help them connect that math class to the real world. Thank you for helping your student learn how to read, create, and understand graphs.